Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Coinbase Wallet. So let's get started. So to do that, you have to follow this easy step. Then you have to go and then you have to search for the Coin Wallet. Then here you have to log in it here. Then you can directly add your account and then you can proceed the withdrawal. Then it will be done. So this is how to withdraw money from Coinbase. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for your watching.